In this video, I'll show you how to turn sound recognition on or off. Sound recognition listens for specific sounds and alerts you to them when detected. To select which sound you'd like for your iPad to listen to, tap the settings icon. Swipe up on the side panel and tap Accessibility. Swipe up in the Accessibility panel. In the Hearing section, tap Sound Recognition. Tap the sound recognition toggle switch to turn it on. Tap Sounds. You can now select which sound you want to be alerted to. These can be alarms, animals, household items, or people. In this example, I'm going to set an alert for the doorbell. When the sound is detected, an alert appears. To stop the iPad from listening, tap the settings icon. In the sound recognition section, tap the sound recognition toggle switch to turn it off.